not, the mobs will be coming. Welcome back, Madventure fans. Welcome back. No, sorry, not back. Welcome, new Madventure fans. Yeah, guys, I'm still here. Sorry, I went a bit quiet. I actually panicked. Sorry, guys, hold that thought. I forgot to introduce myself. My name's Shaun, and my travelling buddy, which sadly isn't here with me, is Davey Bones, which you'll see him on the odd occasion. The channel blew up a little bit, and for me, when I say blew up, I gained an extra 200 and something subscribers. Originally I was about 80 subscribers hovering, so this intro is to say thank you to you guys, the new subscribers to the channel. I hope you've had a nosy round and had a look back to the beginning and seen the story up until the present, and also really just to give you an update on why I've panicked, because I've thought to myself, the earlier content isn't great. The camera equipment, we didn't have wind mics, it were very basic GoPros, and everything that I've done up to now has just sort of been, it'll do. And I don't want that. If I'm going to start really growing a little bit, don't get me wrong, I'm not sailing like vagabond just yet, I'm not out there promoting my merchandise and things like that, but just for you guys, I want you to enjoy the content and good quality, so please feel free, comment below, let me know what you think. Do you want me to carry on the story from where I am, and then you can see the gap from when I arrived from Felixstowe to Hull, stayed at Hull for a little while, and then bring you up to real time to where I am currently? Or do you want me to skip that bit, go to when I've got the latest camera equipment? But on that note, I've got to say to you guys, please hang fire on that, because it's going to take me a little while to edit all that. I've started editing it as best I can, but it's just around work at the minute. So please feel free, comment below, let me know what you think. But going on to the subject of, like say, wind mics, camera equipment and stuff like that, this video is really, it's to show friends and family this one. It's a short one, it's only about 5 minutes long, because there's a person that said to me, she says, not a chance, you're not going to get me on a sailboat. The ocean's a dangerous place. Now don't get me wrong, she's not gone on the ocean, she's gone on the River Humber, which is just outside Hull. And we had a short trip up there and then came back, but just look at the smile on her face. I think she's actually enjoying it. I think she's a fake sailor on the quiet, and she's been borrowing my boat while I've been at work in the week, so don't know. Let me know what you think. Enjoy, guys. And like I say, thank you to the new subscribers, and I'll catch up with you all again soon. Thank you, guys. Hello. I hope you don't come on, come on. Yeah. Panic then, if you said it, it's a big wave come over. I'm like, what are you on about? Yeah. Oh, but we are. We've not that bad, have we? They've not got there. Wait, still. anyhow when they're going this far.
Which way would they come from? The bridge?
Both directions, yeah. Thank you for watching, we'll catch you next time on Madcat Sailing. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share with your mateys.